Hello everyone, it is my first day again to sign in for jogging. So ang ginawa ko first is to plan to sleep early as 10. So usually natutulog ako mga 12, but I decided to sleep 10 o'clock. So I'm recording this because I want to know at balikan din the day that I decided to again to sign into jogging after many years. I think it is 10 years. So but again, I decided myself yesterday, day 1. It is uh, July 18, Saturday. So Saturday, I decided to run by the time or timestamp of around 5:30. So meron ng araw, meron na din mga tao sa lansangan to focus myself again on running. So I ran on one of the SM near us, and the experience is nostalgic because somehow 10 years ago 10 years ago I'm jogging without any cell phone or anything, just for music and anything. But for now, we can record, and of course, pwede natin balikan kung ano yung ginawa nating process, like uh, sleeping early, um, drinking water before we go on run. Then I also start my myself with the pacing of walking only for around the 2 rounds or 3 rounds, and then after that, ang ginawa ko, sinubukan ko mag-run for how many minutes on running. And while running, of course, but again, after a while, when I felt that I slowly um, pace down, then again walk again for another 2 rounds of running.